Chungying Plastic Woven Packaging was founded back in 2002. We are located in Qianshe Industrial Zone of Dongguan. We manufacture environment-friendly PP plastic woven packaging, which was used for a variety of products such as rice, flour, seeds, animal feed, fertilizer, etc. Our company is capable of packaging design and development PP flat tape extrusion, circular weaving, multicolor gravure printing, multi-layer lamination, and can provide a high degree of customization of the functionality of the final product. We have over 21 industry-related patents, as well as new product development on an annual basis. Our factory is ISO 9001 BRC IOP certified, and we operate under the standards of GB T8946 2013, GB T9688 1988, and BRC food grade packaging regulations to ensure that we only deliver product with the best quality to our customers. Tape extrusion. Tape extrusion is the most critical process of the woven industry since the quality of the tape has a direct impact on the quality of the packaging. We mainly manufacture two different types of tape, transparent and pearl white. We only use virgin polypropylene granule as our main material, and each batch will go through multiple tests on its melting factor, density, elasticity, etc. To ensure the stability of our extrusion process, we have invested and installed a computer-guided dispensing and mixing system. In this dispensing and mixing process, all raw materials will go through a heating and setting process to remove any excess moisture. And then the computer-guided dispensing machine will dispense and mix the granule on a batch of 10 kilograms based on the preset formula with less than 5 grams of variance. During the extrusion stage, the mixture will be heated to a specific temperature for plasticization and then extruded in a flat sheet and cooled in a water tank. After the initial cooling, the flat sheet will then be split into strips by high-precision cutters. After the splitting, the flat tape will then be heated, stretched, and cooled multiple times to achieve the required linear tensile strength. Each batch of our flat tape will be sampled, tested, and documented on its relative tensile strength, elongation rate, density, heat shrink rate, and width to ensure the traceability and quality. We also utilize the data collected in for Six Sigma and continuous improvement of our products. Circular weaving. Our woven packaging are made from tubular fabric, which is weaved by circular weaving machine using our flat tape. Shuttles in the circular weaving machine weave the tape in weft and warp direction to form the fabric in a tubular structure. Our package has a lower scrap rate, less waste in material, and higher overall holding capacity. Our circular weaving plant operates under strict specification on weave count, tension control, traction control, and gapping tolerance. And each weaving machine is guarded with professional staff on a 24-hour basis to monitor the quality of the weave. For any defects appear during weaving, our staff will mark the defect using specialized marking tape to indicate the scrap for the next production stage. Every roll of woven fabric will go through a quality test on its density, tension strength, elongation rate, width, and weave count to ensure its quality. Rotogravure printing. To achieve the aesthetic and advertisement property of our packaging, we laminate a layer of BOPP film above our woven fabric, which is printed using a rotogravure printing machine. And based on customer requirements, another background layer of pearl white or aluminized film can be added between BOPP film and the woven fabric. To ensure our product has the best printing quality, we have installed the most advanced online optic QC machine. It utilizes two 4K optic monitor, high-speed image processor, motion stabilizer to scan each of our print. It can indicate defects within 0.5 micron and can help us identify and process the defect so our finished product can be 100% defect-free. To ensure consistent print quality, we have a very detailed record and sample print of each print run. We have documented over 6,300 plus packaging records in our database till now. We utilize this database to check and compare every print run to ensure every batch will be the same as its previous print run. In this database, we also document the percentage ratio of ink used, run speed, as well as the machine setup to ensure full traceability and repeatability. Bag making. After the BOPP film is printed, it will go through the final bag making process. Bag making mainly consists of three major processes: lamination, side gusset, and bag making. Lamination is one of the most critical processes for woven packaging making. BOPP film and woven fabric are laminated using a mixture of PP and LDPE. It's melted and then laminated between two layers to form a bond. Temperature control and cooling is the key control point for a desirable bonding. If the temperature is too low, the bond will not be strong enough, and if the temperature is too high, it will damage the tensile strength of the package. During this process, for every roll, we will check its lamination thickness, gram per square meter, tensile strength, and peeling tensile. The laminated rolls will then go through side gusset process to form its gusset and then made into bags. Lastly, all of our package will go through a metal detector before it goes out of our factory for metal or sharp object control, as well as defect control. The metal detector will indicate all of our defects, since they are all labeled from previous processes with a specialized sticker, which consists of aluminum foil in it. After the metal detecting process, the finished packaging will then be packed and ready for shipping. All packaging that's manufactured by Changying Packaging will have to go through 5 critical control points: composition sampling on raw materials, optical QC on print quality, QC and QA during lamination's process, and metal detecting before shipping out. The whole production process strictly follows BRC Global Packaging Standard to ensure the overall packaging quality. Providing the customer with best quality product has always been Changying's objective. We have dedicated teams working on integration of our production system to achieve the best quality control in the market. And we operate under lean manufacturing guidelines to ensure a competitive pricing. As a supplier, Changying aims to provide the customer with a great packaging foundation to assist in their market expansion as well as business development.